Hey guys, JC here at Jackrabbit Off-Road. Check it out. Now, this may have started life out as a 2017 General, but here in 2021, she has been born again. And wait just a minute, because I've got some surprises up my sleeves. So check this out. All new paint on all of the bodywork. This is a beautiful blue color, especially out in the light. Man. Check out on the inside here. Rockford Fosgate. Audio package. Yeah, this is the new kit. This was not even available in 2017. This is a wireless phone charger mount. Clamps in there and holds your phone secure. Comes on when the key comes on. All new seats. And this absolutely gorgeous radius roll cage from Thumper Fab. Check this out. She's got this mean, aggressive look here in the front. She's just ready to go right now. We come around to the back here, and this is the big surprise here. That's right. Brand new Force Turbos kit on this 1000cc engine. This girl moves now. Come on, let's fire it up. Enough of me talking about it. There she is. Top this off with an HCR long travel suspension. Brand new KFI winch. Some brand new STI 32s on bead locks. Man, this is one bad General, and she's ready to go. Check it out. Facebook, Instagram, and jroffroad.com. Thanks.